Hello, I'm Yang Sung-eun, working at Bucheon Buhung Middle School. In this class, I will let you know how to do group work in online learning using Zoom and teach students using Google Docs. To begin with, simply introducing Zoom, it is the video software program which is exclusively developed by Zoom Video Communication. Currently, if you sign up for Zoom with the account of the educational institution, you can temporarily receive service under unlimited time and unlimited number of people. In order to use Zoom service, first you need to access zoom.us on Google search window and sign up to be a member. Previously mentioned, when you sign up to be a member with email of the education institution, unlimited time, the limited number of people can be provided. I'm going to skip the way to sign up to be a member because you can easily copy the way through other contents. Additionally, if you've already had Zoom account, please skip the course of membership. After membership, press sign in and log in. Because there are various contents related Zoom on the internet, assuming that you've already easily mastered the way using of Zoom, this session will focus on the group work in online learning. You have to use the function of the meeting room to do group work during the class. However, after Zoom membership, default value of meeting room inactivates. Thus, enter my account and then you have to activate the meeting room after choosing setting. When you click the menu on the left, the menu pops up on the right. Among these, click in Meeting Advanced and then find Breakout Room. After finding Breakout Room, you can see it inactivated. When you activate this, the checkbox pops up below. What is this checkbox? When you book a meeting, press Save button so that a host can assign participants to the meeting room. But definitely, you don't need to choose it. If you don't choose it, there appears no Save button. You don't need to worry because it is automatically saved. Next, I will let you know the way using Zoom. After explaining the way of reservation in the homepage, I will let you how to install the program and make a reservation. To begin with, I'm going to explain how to make reservation of the meeting room. Click Sign In at the top of the right and log in. After logging in, enter Meetings, the menu on the left, and then click Schedule Meeting. So press the Save button after set the meeting title, hours, time, and the secret number of the meeting room. Enter Meetings again, and then Start to Work after selecting Start, Edit, Delete button on the right. Next, I will let you know how to use Zoom through installation of program. There is Download if you scroll to the bottom of the window. Please choose Meeting Client here, and if you press Download button, based on your computer, 32 bits program will be installed. If yours is 64 bits, 64 bits client should be installed. After Zoom client installs in the computer and log in like the screen, press Meeting tab. After pressing plus button on the left screen, click Conference Reservation button. Please insert the meeting title in Subject section in Conference Reservation window and then choose whether you will create meeting ID or whether you will use private meeting ID. In addition, choose the secret number to be used during the meeting and then press Save button after set other options. Please press Start button on the right screen to start a meeting. Here I'm going to exemplify the example with example O1 class. I'm going to explain the functions such as small group and meeting room for group work. Please choose meeting room menu by pressing See More button. In case of large window like this, you can know that the meeting room button is automatically generated. If the meeting room button can't be seen, enter the setting and then activate the function of meeting room. If Zoom is already installed, please select Advanced Functions Setting and Profile on the third by pressing Setting button, Gear Wheel button. So like the screen which I showed you when the class started, Zoom Internet page will appear. Next, find Breakout Room after pressing Setting button in the left menu and then activate it. If you turn on Zoom again, you can see Creating Meeting Room like the right screen. After the window to set how many meeting rooms will be made, please create meeting room as many as the number of group. This time, while the automatic allocation is the way that students are randomly assigned, manual allotment is the one which students are directly assigned by teachers. In case of the button to allow participants to directly choose meeting room, it is possible for students to directly choose their own group. Today, I will explain manual allotment for group work. If you press Creating button, you can see that meeting room is generated like the right screen. You can find that Allocation button next to each meeting room is created. If you press Allocation button, the students' names will appear. Then please choose each student by pressing the opening button of every meeting room. You can generate meeting room. After every meeting room is open, group work can start. This time, teachers press Participation button and can communicate with students. This is the meeting room screen. This is the image that students activate group work in meeting room. After watching group work for a while, if you want to move another group, please press Meeting Room button on the screen button. Then press Participation button of another group. During group work, it is better to provide contents which can directly write down the conversation than just have a talk. The current screen is Google Presentation. I will let you know the way to use for group work after a while. For the students who access Zoom with mobile phones, not computers, the students who access Zoom with computers can create presentation and discuss by pressing Share Screen. The students of each group can create one document, multiple simultaneously. Therefore, it is good for group work to occur through the allocation of roles. For example, number 1 slide is in A student, number 2 slide is in B student, and number 3 slide is C student. The current screen is the image giving a lesson through Padlet. If the map is needed during group work, by using Padlet map, students can take part in the class, looking at the map or marking on the map like this. This is the screen of group work with Google Docs. Equally, students can create documents through concurrent access at the same time. From now on, I will tell you about the way that students can make documents at the same time during group work. First, click New button in Google Drive. and then create a new file by pressing Google Presentation. Please insert the title at the top of the left screen. Teachers should make forms that students can do group work. This is the group work with algorithm flowchart. So you make students appoint a team name like the screen, list team members, and make a sample for group work. Since the things such as documents, presentations, spreadsheets from Google are automatically saved, there is no Save button. So after completion, close the screen. After done, if you press the yellow Share button, on the top of the right, you can see link address to access. If you click link copy button is generated here. Then press this button after choosing Open to every user with link. Please make the condition that students appointed as editors can edit documents. Please make as many copies as the number of groups by pressing the right button of the mouse. A moment ago, you can set the things such as link address through the orange Share button with Open File, but you can check link address by pressing the right button for Share or Link Generation button on this screen. Like this, group work in which students can participate is possible in online with Zoom. That's all. I'm going to finish explaining group work through video class. Thank you.